is me, Pranav Kumar from the Octet Syntax channel. So today in this video you'll be seeing how you can split the string in Java. So this is my first Java tutorial in this channel. So let me know if you like them, if you want to keep making these or you just want different tutorials. Let me know in the comments. But today we'll be seeing how you can split strings in Java. So I have already written the code. I'll be just explaining it. It's just available in the description. It's a GitHub link as usual. And also we're planning on publishing a website for our YouTube channel. So if it is published, you will be able to see that the description. You just go and check if the link is available there. It's out there. You just wanna open it. That'll be the documentation also there. So you can also get notified there, so it's pretty cool. If you want to have any suggestions or email us, you can just go there and just email us. First it's jot form, so you just need to verify it and then you can just email us. So that's pretty much it. So let's get started in the video. So first we start the class as usual Java, and then this is also usual. It's just the main function. So it's a very simple code. It's not much at all. It's very simple. So let's go over in a minute. It's a very short video. Obviously I am planning on a different video also, which will be out when I publish this. I am hoping it. So let's get started. So we are having a string value that we want to split over here, which is just random values. You can change it if you want to. That doesn't matter. And then there is the int I, which is just we can, if you use a for loop, we can also use a for loop, but we are using a while loop, so we are declaring it before itself. And the last I, which is just the pointer that we want. So let's say the I starts out here and the last I also starts out here, so that it checks for this exact character. So the first point it's not going to be there, so it's going to the next point. The first character, it's not that this character, so it goes to the next point. 5 is also not the character, so it goes to the next one. This is the character, so I is equal to now 2 because 0 1 2. So now the last I is going to be at 2. It's going to be 0 as we can declared it. So first it's gonna print out from last I to I, so 25 will be printed out, and then last I will be set to I plus 1, so our last I will be set to 6, which is not exactly 6, the value 6, which is just 1 2 3 4. I mean that means 3. So it will be set to 3 and then it will go skip over again and it will just keep on happening. So it doesn't matter how many numbers you enter, even if you keep on adding more numbers, it will still work. So it's more procedural than you can think. So in this tutorial we are just gonna take the values and print them out, not store in a variable or anything. So let's start with the while loop. So if the while loop will run until the string's value length is ended, so we are not hard setting the value, that's a good thing. And then if the char I is equal to the thing over here, the character, it will just print out the substring from last I to I. So the substring function, what it does is, from one, it takes for the variable from one character index to another character index. It just gets the values. That's the use of the substring function. And then we just this function as usual. There's one thing that we have did, a clever thing that we have did. So at end there is no character, so it's just gonna enter until 95. It's not gonna print until 50. It's gonna skip over 54. It's not gonna print the last number, not exactly 54. Even if we change the value, it's not gonna, it will print until 54 and it won't print 564. So what we have did, if the length has been occurred -1, because there will be always an additional number, is they're just gonna print the same thing, but we don't want that to happen. So that's what we're doing. So let me just run this and show you. As you can see, all the values have been written. So let me just add another number. Okay, so I'll not add addition, actually it's just this one. This can be very much useful, like if, let's say you have a temperature sensor that's giving you temperature, like let's say 45, it's 25 degrees outside, and then the humidity level is 75%. it's just gonna give like, let's say it's giving like this. What you want to do is just use this code, and then voila, you get the temperature and the humidity separated from the same value. So you can also set the values, like if it was the first value, you can set it as the int variable, which we will not be covering over today. It's for another video. So that's it pretty much today. So hope you enjoyed the video. Hope to see you in the next video, which is probably gonna be Arduino IoT Cloud, which is a very nice topic to talk about. So I'll be seeing you there. Thank you very much. Goodbye.